Hello, I'm here with a modified Minelab Excalibur, and what I have done here is to employ a 15-inch coil, larger coil, with a straight shaft. The larger coil will allow me to cover more ground at greater depths. The straight shaft will balance the detector on my arm so it will seem weightless, minimizing fatigue. The coil is made by Coiltech. It's referred to as the WOT, and that is short for Wild Orange Thing. They sell them on eBay, and Kellyco here in Orlando, Florida can help you as well. The straight shaft I used is a length of aluminum tubing. I got that from Ace Hardware. It's 4 feet long, 3/4 inches in diameter. 3/4 inch is the inside diameter of the tubing. Okay, I also used a more beefed up lower shaft, and it is made by Anderson, and I got that from Kellyco here in Orlando, Florida as well. The leverage of this larger coil is too much for the stock lower shaft that is supplied with your detector. You can use the old shaft, but and if you're careful with it, it will last a while. But I prefer the Anderson shaft, which is much more thick in this area right here. You will also need 2 handlebar ends from the bicycle department at Walmart. These little deals right here. The cheap ones will work fine. Okay, one will go on the top of your straight shaft right here, and it will serve as a strain relief for your earphone cord. You can use the same arm cuff, but you do need a strap across the top. This one I used here is from a medical cane, and I put a strap across the top, and it works great. Okay, the first handlebar end goes on the end of the shaft, and it will serve as a great strain relief for the earphone cord, as you can see here. Otherwise, it's just hanging straight down. This is really minimized any wear back and forth. Okay, your main unit goes right up next to that handlebar end. Okay, the cuff goes 9 inches down from the main unit. The other bar end goes about 11 inches below this cuff right here. Okay, you might have to fool around with that a little bit, depending on your size. I keep the lower shaft here inserted into the bottom of your straight shaft, about 6 inches. So drill a hole about 6 inches up from the bottom of your aluminum shaft. Use the same button mechanism that came with your Excalibur. You can see it right here. There's little things you push in and out. Okay. The rest of the bolts I used up here are stainless steel with lock washers and lock nuts. Watch how this balances on my arm. It feels weightless because the weight in the front and the weight in the back is just got it perfectly balanced. You can swing this all day long without any fatigue. The larger coil will take you about 3 to 4 inches deeper, and you will cover twice the area. See, I just dropped my earphones, but since it's on the strain relief here, there's no worry that it's going to pull out or anything. And you can cover twice the ground with this larger 15-inch coil. It's kind of long, but you can drill another notch up here, so it will collapse for transportation, or for storing in your closet. It is a powerful combination, the WOT Coil with the Excalibur. It's fully waterproof, this WOT Coil, and they will give you a waterproof connector with it when you buy it, so you can splice in between the middle of the cord. And like I said, It's a cheap way to go. All you got to do is buy a straight aluminum shaft and a couple handlebar ends, and the WOT coil will set you back a little bit. But it's well worth it in the area you're going to cover and the depth you're going to go down to. Any questions, feel free to ask. And remember to always use a coil cover. These things will save you a lot of heartache. Thanks for watching.